everyone, and welcome back to English with Alice. I have a fantastic class for you today. You are going to learn some of the most common preposition mistakes and, most importantly, how to fix them. Let's get started. The most common preposition mistake that I've heard in all of my years of teaching is listen me. Listen me is completely incorrect. You need to use the preposition to. Listen to something or listen to someone. For example, listen to me. What kind of music do you listen to? Now, it might sound a bit different because it's right at the end of the question, but you still need the preposition. It's incorrect to say, what kind of music do you listen? What kind of music do you listen to? Yesterday, I listened to the birds. Okay, that's the top one. Let's look at number two. Look me. Look the screen. Incorrect. You need to use the preposition at with look. This is to direct your eyes towards something or someone. So look at me. Look at the screen. Are you looking at the whiteboard? The word look can actually come with lots of different prepositions. Look into, look for, look through, look on. But there's too many to cover in this, so that will be another video. Let's look at number three. Okay, I'm waiting. The bus is incorrect. Here we need the preposition for. You wait for something or someone. I'm waiting for the bus. I waited for Angela to arrive. What are you waiting for? So even when it's a question, you need to put the preposition at the end. What are you waiting for? Similarly to the last one. What are you looking at? What are you listening to? Okay, number four. Don't use a preposition with call when you are calling somebody. So can you call to Sandra? Incorrect. Can you call Sandra? Correct. I called my mum yesterday. Are you going to call somebody today? So no preposition necessary. Okay, number five. Ask someone or ask for something. So when we ask someone, we don't use a preposition. Can you ask to David? Incorrect. Can you ask David? Can you ask David? However, if you're asking for something, then yes, we do need the preposition for. I don't ask for much, but I will ask for your help later. So ask for something, or if it's directly to the person, you just ask David. Okay, let's look at number six. This is another one where we don't need a preposition. So it's incorrect to say I can't attend to university tomorrow. Instead, you just say, I can't attend university tomorrow. I can't attend the meeting next week. Are you going to attend the Oscars? Okay, number seven. This is another classic. I hear this all the time. Do not say it depends of something. It depends of the situation. This is wrong. Instead, say it depends on. For example, it depends on the situation. What shall we do tomorrow? It depends on the weather. So remember this one. Depend on. Okay, we have the penultimate one. It's difficult for me. Incorrect. Sorry, it's difficult to me is incorrect. It's difficult for me is correct. So if you're saying something's difficult, hard, or easy, then you need to say for the person, for me. So science is difficult for me. It's difficult for me to trust you. But it's easy for me to use the whiteboard. I hope this class is easy for you to understand. Okay? Right, number 9, the last one then. This is a great common expression that we use to say yes or no to a suggestion. And you can say, that works for me, or that doesn't work for me. Do not say that works to me. This is incorrect. So imagine someone says, shall we go for a coffee tomorrow at 8 o'clock? Yeah, that works for me. Or alternatively, no, that doesn't work for me. So this is a great one to remember. Okay, have you really learned these? Let's check your learning. I'm going to make your brain work now. I've written a paragraph with 4 mistakes, 4 preposition mistakes. Can you spot them? Let's read. I called to Peter and he said he couldn't attend to the meeting tomorrow. I asked him to look the agenda and I'm waiting him to let me know an alternative. So what's the first mistake? Can you spot it? I called. Remember, I call the person directly. I called Sandra. So here I called Peter. No preposition. And he said he couldn't attend to the meeting? No, the rule for attend is no preposition. So this is he couldn't attend the meeting. Did you get that one? Okay, next part. I asked him, ask directly the person, so that's good. I asked him to look the agenda. What preposition do we need with look? I asked him to look at the agenda. Very good if you remembered that. And I'm waiting him. I'm waiting. We need a preposition here. Do you remember what it is? It is for, I'm waiting for him to let me know an alternative. So there's so many prepositions. This can be something that students struggle with. So if you have a preposition that you're unsure about, write it in the comments and then I can make another video and help you with any doubts that you might have. So I hope this was useful and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.